Yes, student. Next one is reduction reactions of carbonyl group. Actually, the carbonyl group is getting reduced to methylene group. Methylene group, that is CH2. Okay. Carbonyl compound on reduction using different reducing agent. Different reducing agent forms alkane. That is simply the carbonyl compound after reduction forms alkane. Okay, so on the basis of it, there are various reactions. Some reactions on the basis of reducing agents. Like the first one reaction is called Clemmensen reduction. Okay. Zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid. If these two act as reducing agent, then forms what? Alkane. The product alkane depends on which type of carbonyl group is selected. Like here, suppose this is C double bond O, okay, and if it is reacted with zinc, amalgamated zinc and HCl, then it form C. Now it will provide what? Nascent hydrogen. See here, 4 number of nascent hydrogen. Thus, there will be what? Minus H2O, and this is CH2 plus H2O. Are you getting? Like here, if you write C double bond O and H, okay, in the same condition will form RH, and this is C, H and H, so that become alkane. If you are taking acetaldehyde, then it will become what? Propane. Getting? And so on. So large number of reactions are possible with these. Getting? You can write for aldehydes, different aldehydes and different ketones. Number 2, this is called Olde-Kirchner reduction. Olde-Kirchner's reduction. Getting? In this reaction, the reducing agent used is what? Hydrazine. Okay, in presence of KOH. Getting? The same reaction, carbonyl compound with H2N dot NH2. H2N dot NH2. So the compound form, that is this group. This is called carbonyl group. Okay, it is getting reduced by what? Hydrogen. Okay, like here it will again release nascent hydrogen forming C. Okay, and this is H and this is H. So again this is what? Alkane. Okay, like here, if you are writing CH3, C double bond O, and this is H, means what? Acetaldehyde, plus the same condition will convert into CH3C, this is H, and now this is 2. That is the compound become what? Ethane. And third type of reducing agent, if reducing agent is HI. That is what? Hydroiodic acid. Okay, this is hydroiodic acid, and it takes place in the presence of red phosphorus, in the presence of red phosphorus, okay, which makes the reaction more visible. Okay, and particularly the temperature plays very important role. This is 8423 Kelvin temperature. Again gives, again reduces to corresponding alkanes. Corresponding alkanes means it depends on the compound. The C double bond O carbonyl compound plus now what, Hi in presence of red phosphorus, and the temperature is 423 Kelvin temperature. So here C, and there is H and H. Getting? You can write here what? 4Hi. You can write here 4Hi. Right here. If you are taking CH3, C and H, or even ketone, the same reaction will take place. 4Hi will form in the same situation. CH3, H, and this is H and H. That is what? Again, ethane. So student, these three are very important reaction. Often it is asked in exam. It is because the particular name reactions are there, like what? Clemmensen reduction, okay, say Wolff-Kishner reduction, and reduction with HI. The student, here you have to remember the name of reducing agent which we are using. It is what? Amalgamated zinc with HCl, they are called Clemmensen. If hydrogen in presence of KOH, they are called Wolff-Kishner, and if reduces with HI in the presence of red phosphorus. We will utilize all these reactions in our next chapter also.